Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to collect emails using Google Sites, specifically for affiliate marketing, with this full guide. This is one of the easiest and completely free methods to start building your email list. No fancy tools, no coding, and no paid subscriptions needed. So if you're ready to grow your affiliate income by collecting real leads, stay tuned till the very end. Let's jump right in. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and we'll be using two free Google tools, Google Forms and Google Sites. Create your email capture form first, head over to Google Forms. Click on blank form and give it a title like sign up for our exclusive offers or join our affiliate newsletter. This is a title your visitors will see, so make it clear and inviting. Now, by default, Google Forms starts with a short answer question. Change that question type to paragraph. This gives people enough space to type their email address. You can even add a few optional questions like, what kind of deals are you interested in? Or, have you joined our community before? To make your form more engaging. Publish and copy the form link. Once your form is ready, click on the send button in the top right corner. Select the chain link icon and copy the generated URL. This is the direct link to your form that we'll be embedding into your Google site. Embed the form into Google Sites now. Open Google Sites. You can either create a new site or open an existing one where you want to collect emails. In the right-hand panel, click on Embed, then choose the By URL option. Paste the Google Form link you copied earlier, and Google Sites will instantly load a preview. If it looks good, click Insert. You can now resize or reposition the form anywhere on your page, maybe right below your product descriptions or on your home page as a call to action. And that's it. Your Google form is now embedded directly on your Google site, ready for visitors to type in their email addresses and hit submit. Why this works so well for affiliate marketing? This method is perfect for beginners and even pros because it's quick. You can set it up in under 5 minutes, completely free. Both Google Forms and Google Sites cost nothing. Conversion friendly, visitors don't need to leave your website to sign up. Once you've collected those emails, you can start sending updates, exclusive deals, and affiliate offers directly to your subscribers, helping you build trust and drive more conversions over time. And that's how you can collect emails with Google Sites using Google Forms, the ultimate free setup for affiliate marketing in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to connect this form to an email automation tool next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.